hardly breathe in. I feel like a suffocated potato right now. I could hardly breathe in this dress. Beverly Hills eyebrow brush for the pomade that I'm using. It's the Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills to finish off my brows. So this just kind of sets the brow in place. If you messed up, don't worry. You can use concealer to clean up our brows. To clean up my brows, I'll be using the NARS concealer and the Tarte concealer brush to clean up my brows. This has definitely been one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. You can tell by how dirty it is. I'm going in with my Modern Renaissance Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. You can tell how much I love this palette. I hit 10 on a few shades. First, I'm going into Warm Taupe. It's a really good transition color. Going in with Cypress Umber Dark Chocolate Brown. Apply that on the outer corner. And gives it a more of a sultry look. Just blending that upwards. We're going to go back in with the fluffy brush into Red Orchard. Going in with Love Letter. Prep and Prime by MAC. I spray that all over my face. It feels so refreshing. Prep and Prime by MAC. It smells good and it feels so good. In with this gold shade down here. Taking a small brush, a packing brush, and just apply that all over your lid. These lashes by Morphe. These lashes are voluminous, give you such nice volume, gives it a really nice flirty look. For lashes, I'll be using the Benefit Roller Lash. I love how tiny these bristles are for my tiny lashes. After I give that a minute to dry, I'll be going in with another mascara by Tarte Man Eater to give it more of a fuller, voluminous look. Since I do have pretty small lashes, those who have longer lashes, you're so lucky. The Professional Primer by Benefit, it minimizes the appearance of pores. This is so soft. This gives it a good base for a foundation to stick on. Cannot live without this primer. It's so good. This is my second bottle. They last for so long. I'll be using these two foundations to create that perfect shade. My beauty blender is finally wet and ready to go. And the plate that I use to make my perfect shade. Also, I really like more of a dewy finish for my foundation, so I will be adding a drop of MAC Strobe Cream to mix in with my foundation. This is really good to apply foundation, the Sigma Flat Kabuki brush in 580. So I just like to take that and dab that all over my face. And then go in with my beauty blender to blend out my foundation. So, especially if you have dry skin, this is a really good technique. For extra coverage, NARS is such an amazing concealer. I'll be applying this under my eyes. For some extra coverage, a little bit on my chin, my nose, and around my nose because I have redness. And blend the concealer with my beauty blender since I do have dry skin. Blending out my concealer with my beauty blender gives your skin more of a seamless finish than having a brush. Time to set our face, going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Let's dip my beauty blender in there. Wherever I apply my concealer, I will be applying translucent powder to set the concealer so it doesn't move or melt off my face, especially when it's during the hot summer days. But right now where I am, it's currently winter, so we are good. Time to contour our cheekbones, going in with the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I get pretty tan during the summertime and it still bronzes my face like a dream and dark enough for my tanner skin in the summertime, but during the winter time I get a little bit more pale because there's less sun. Either way, if it's during winter time or summertime, this bronzer, the Hoola Benefit Bronzer, is good for both weathers, which I'm happy about. That means I do not have to go out and buy one for winter specifically and one for summer. This bronzer is good for year round. This is also really buildable too, which I absolutely love about it. Doesn't come off too strong. Like if a guy comes on too strong on you, you are gonna run. They are too much, you feel uncomfortable. So this is buildable, this is good. I'm just bringing that up to my forehead. Now it's time for a blush. I'll be using the MAC blush. I'll be using the MAC powder brush. Tongue twister. I'll be using my MAC powder blush. And just apply that on my cheeks. For a highlighter, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills by Enrizi. Such cute packaging. Enrizi highlighter. With the excess highlighter that's on my brush to go under my brows. And it just gives it like that nice, really contoured, highlighted look. Oof. And don't forget the highlighter on your nose and the cupid's bow. My whole entire face makeup so it doesn't budge or move. This Urban Decay All Nighter, amazing. It's basically hairspray for your face, setting spray for your makeup. It lasts so much longer, especially during the summertime. You'll see a huge difference. If you're looking for a good setting spray and you haven't tried Urban Decay, definitely recommend it and try it out for yourself. A simple Fenty Beauty lip gloss. let's change into our outfit. Here is the final look. And so here is the final look. For some reason, the camera keeps changing the tone of the video, if that makes sense. Keeps changing in color. So if you know how to fix that, please let me know down in the comments below.